So my collection's name is Vareen Maa, as it says, and in Tamil it means I am coming to your mom, as in like your mom is calling you and you're going back. Hello, I am Chandhana R Deva and I go by Deva. So I am a fashion design student at IIAD. My collection's name is Vareen Maa, as it says, and in Tamil it means I am coming to your mom, as in like your mom is calling you and you're going back. So it's basically telling that I'm going back to my motherland. So I took my inspiration from temple architecture, specifically Malai Mandir, which is in Munirka. So from that, like looking into ornamentation and the pillars, it's deriving colors from the abhishek samagri used in temple. So my basic inspiration was that I always wanted to fit in any shape or form. And one of the major things was finding the sense of home. As a South Indian living in North India, it's very hard to find the space. So during the trip to Chennai, I felt the sense of home. And when I came back here, I visited Swami Malai Mandir, even though I'm going there since my childhood. So I went there. It gave me a sense of like a small South India in North India. So looking into the temple architecture is the major defining thing as a South Indian temple, which is different from the North Indian temple. So that is the basic inspiration of it, and silhouettes were derived from the pillars and how those are shaped. So yeah. So the initial brief came through my research paper. I did my research paper in Madras checks, and I got to know that temple motifs were used initially. And from there, I looked into temple architecture. I visited Chennai for my research while I was doing my research paper as well. So when I went there, I got to know that the temple, or like the essence of South India, is that. And coming back here and finding the similar sense is something which the process was. Then from there, I looked into fabrics which were South cotton, cotton silk, and silk, organza. So I wanted to make a luxury festive wear. So that is the reason I had luxurious material. And keeping the authenticity as South Indian, I wanted to add South Indian elements like the South cotton basically. Then I looked into the ornamentation, and deriving from the ornamentation, I looked into block printing, how stripes and dots and checks could be playing in a harmonious way. And from there, I derived my silhouettes to the pillars, and the volume came from that. So yeah. I feel the biggest challenge would be handling the material and basically making everything cohesive and justifying that it's a like actually justifying how the concept is, like a South Indian living in North India, showing the North Indian people how the South Indian fashion is. So justifying my concept was a big challenge for me. I feel nervous, but I feel it's almost ended and I'm happy. So yeah. I would say it was wholesome, it was new, it was experimental, it was explorative. So yeah. I feel it does because of the projects where we include industrial briefs and industry people come in and give their reviews in. So I feel that is something which is very important for a student to know. And I feel there is a sense of that you can do whatever you want, even though with the feedbacks they give. But I feel there is our first foot there, so that behavior, like that kind of. I would say that know what you want to do and be very confident about what you're making, and you should be clear about what you're doing. So yeah.